So the next thing we are going to do is retrieve a single contact from the database. Just stop this here, go back to the code, and we'll just refer to the data service here. Here they have retrieved it using basically by name. So there are two ways basically to do it. To retrieve multiple data points or to retrieve single data point. So we'll start with the multiple data points, this one. We'll just copy this and save it here. Get contacts named Roboto. Now we don't have basically that way. We will have something like this: string name, then the contacts which we want to retrieve, and the code will be slightly changed so that we have it properly and with generic code, and instead of Roboto it will be name. Now we can utilize it to retrieve whatever contacts we want to retrieve. We'll just remove the compilation error because this is, we have it person here, that's why. So now right now this particular class is perfect. Now go to the, this is done, go to main scene, just copy this method and paste it here, and get contacts button by name. Now so this one, instead of get contacts, you will just pass the name which you want to retrieve. So this is an overloaded method in contact service. This doesn't take any parameter, this takes one parameter which is name. And then just go to the UI and just clear this thing, copy the, duplicate that button, and just have change the name of the button to get contacts by name, and just name it in the text file also, or rather the text also. This way the button is there, and we'll change the method which we are using is to get contacts by name button, click and save it. So let us run this app once more. Right now if you see, there are three rows with name John, so 3 items should be retrieved. So let us run this. Click on get contacts by name. So 3 rows has been retrieved and printed in the console. So as you can see, we are gradually building up our contact service class. So we have retrieved contacts by name.